Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to add voice after recording the video. Adding voice after recording a video is useful for voiceovers, tutorials, or correcting audio mistakes. OBS Studio allows you to record audio separately and sync it with your existing video. This guide will show you how to add voiceover after recording a video using an OBS. Turn on your Windows PC and open the OBS Studio. Import or open your recorded video in a media player for reference. In OBS, create a new scene by clicking the plus icon. Name your scene and click OK. Now in the Sources panel, click the plus icon. Choose Audio Input Capture, then click OK. Create a new source and choose your microphone. Click OK. Check the audio mixer to ensure your mic is detecting sound. Optional, mute or remove other mic on audio mixer and audio sources to record voice only. Now open the settings. Go to Output and choose your recording folder under the recording path. In Sources, click the plus button. Choose Display Capture. Click OK. Choose your screen under Display and click OK. Click Start Recording to begin recording your voiceover. Play your original video and speak along to match timing. Click Stop Recording when finished. Use a video editor to combine and sync the voiceover with your video. Tip: wear headphones while recording to avoid echo or audio overlap. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.